In order to run a sample of ground beef in the ZX-550 portable food cheese analyzer, the first step is to spoon some of the ground beef into a plastic Whirlpack type container such as we see here. Lay it sideways in the clamshell cup, like so. And sideways, smooth it down, close the clamshell, and secure the sample in place. You'll see from this that the sample is now very flat on both the front and the back sides, and we're ready to take a measurement. You want to make sure that the entire window is filled by sample, and you should probably see a little bit coming up the top here. Which we can fold back a little bit easier, fold it back to make it a little bit easier to close the lid. The next step is to go over to the ZX-550, and you can see here that on the top the display panel, it will read measure set standard. This means that the instrument is now waiting for us to press measure, which will get the baseline measurements inside the empty sample chamber. Making sure the light shield is closed, press measure. The instrument will display the word reading. Beep. It will now say insert sample. Open the lid. Place the sample inside the chamber. Close the lid. It will now read insert sample. Press measure. The instrument will again display reading. It will now beep and display remove and turn. Lift the lid. Take out the sample. Rotate the sample. Close the cup. Sample back inside, close the lid, press measure a second time. The reason for rotating the sample is to ensure that the instrument sees two sections in the sample. This eliminates the possibility that the instrument will see just one large section of proteinaceous or fatty substance. The instrument now read remove and press M. Remove the sample, close the lid, press measure. Okay, what we now have, it says 2 GBF, fat 13.3. Now it says 2 GBF, protein 63.0. And 2 GBF, H2O 10.9. What this means is sample number 2, GBF, is an abbreviation for ground beef and is reading protein 63.0. After the initial reading, press the up and down keys and it will cycle through the constituents, protein, fat, moisture. After this, press select. Again, the instrument will display measure standard and you're ready to take another measurement.